back at it. Non-consensual towing. What we do. They got one on this property they want towed. I don't know the story. All I know is the manager pointed the car out, told me to get it, so I'm backing over here. Let's go ahead and yank it. Looks like it's been stickered as out of state plate, abandoned vehicle. So we're gonna yank it. Looks like it got wrecked. Not bad, but it got wrecked somehow or another, and it ended up in front of her window, in front of her office window. And the tires got a flat tire on it. And from looking at the space it was parked in, it's been there for at least a month. I could be wrong, but I'm usually not. But I estimate that car had been there for a month. Flat tire, wrecked outside her front window. Anyway, we're gonna sign it out, man, and get to the yard. All right, we're back at it again. We're rolling down here on the north side right here of Atlanta. We're rolling in hot right here. We got somebody parked in a reserved parking spot. This is a common problem at upscale properties. If you have a reserved parking spot, if somebody takes it, then you gotta get it handled, get them to tow it, or else they'll keep doing that and using that parking spot. Three right there. It's got a sticker on it. I'm gonna hook it up real quick. I don't think they'll park there again. Not after getting towed. Well, we got another one. Bagged another one, heading to the yard with it. Nobody came out. I don't know why they parked there, but they did. Nobody knows why people don't park where they're supposed to, but they just get towed. It happens every day. It's just like driving. If you get caught running 100 miles an hour on the highway, it's your fault. If you get caught parking in the wrong spot and get towed, it's your fault, man. Don't be mad about it. Just get your wallet out, get your credit card out, come pay it out. That's how it works. It's just like any other business. Anyway, stay tuned. Welcome back. Welcome back. We just rolled into another property. Non-consensual towing. We got a trailer she wants removed off this property. Evidently somebody hadn't responded to her stickers. We're gonna see how this plays out. It may be difficult to get. Trailers are very difficult to get, especially But they're in a corner like this one, man. This was in a terrible spot. Yeah. I'm gonna get that one with the hitch. Make sure they ain't got no boot. Some tire boot on it. It's got good tires. Let's see what size ball that is. I think that's a 2-inch standard. Leave it long where I can swing around this truck. Hopefully I can get it around this truck. I'm gonna come back out with it. Yeah, we got it. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the rest of it down and put another chain on it. I got somebody pulling up on me right here. I don't know what they're doing. Okay.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good. How are you? I have
Good,
a
good.
quick question.
Yeah.
Well, this is actually my trailer.
It's your trailer?
Yes.
Okay. She called it. The manager called it in. I don't think she knew it was your trailer. She may have not known, but it don't have a tag or anything on it.
It did have a tag. I have it in the truck. It fell down.
Okay.
It was right here, and it was only with wires.
Yeah.
And I have it right here in the truck. It actually fell down.
Yeah.
And my husband is actually working, so I was waiting for him to come.
Okay.
And actually put the tag back on.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Well, you'll have to talk to her whether or not I can do a payout on it. That's up to her.
How much is it?
It's $100 to drop it on property, but we'll have to talk to her first to make sure.
Where do you guys take
I'll give you the address.
Is it far?
It's not that far. It's probably 12 miles, 10 miles.
Okay, because I know that Valley Oaks, they take them all the way to Covington.
Where? Oh, no, this one's in Norcross. It's not that far. It's not that far.
Okay.
Indian Trail, get off Indian Trail.
And if we pick it up Saturday, do you know how much it would be? Because the thing is that I don't live here.
Oh, you don't? Okay. And that's another reason.
I live in Valley Oaks, but the owner of the black truck, he lives there, and he said it was okay for us to leave it just for a couple of days, because we're moving out of Valley Oaks.
I got you.
To a place where we can have the trailer.
Yeah.
Valley Oaks doesn't allow trailers either.
Okay.
So that's why we left it here, but...
Well, yeah, I didn't know she didn't allow trailers. I just know it don't have a tag on it, so it may be, I think she may not allow trailers too, like Valley Oaks. And I'm not sure.
There's a lot of trailers over
I'm
there.
not sure. I just know she ordered this one towed. Somebody brought to their attention and towed it. And if you're not a resident here, if you don't have a residence here, she's not gonna let you pay it out. And I'm pretty sure, unless you're a resident here.
And I'm not. That's why.
Yeah. Well, listen. Let me give you the address. It's not big. It's not that big of a deal. You're already on the hook to pay it. So you just come get your trailer. It's a nice trailer.
Do you know how much it'll be until Saturday?
Let's see. Probably either one. Let's see. Be 200 plus the 220. Probably 220. 220, I think. I'm not sure. It's around that range. Okay. Saturday. Let me give you the address. That bug's biting this crap out of me. Anyway, she seemed nice enough, and I hate her situation is what it is, but she does not live on this property, and I'm pretty sure that the manager knows that this trailer does not belong to a resident here. And I think everybody that has a trailer in a vehicle, period, you have to have it registered with the office. And this particular box trailer is not registered with the front office here, so it got yanked. Anyway, that's what happens, man. It's just part of it. People don't like tow drivers. Tow guys are bad. We're real bad people. Anyway. I post a comment down there. I know a lot of haters come on here. Hey, y'all keep cranking it up, bunch of haters. And to the rest of my subscribers and commenters, man, I hope y'all are doing well. Thanks for watching. Anyway, peace.